Did you know that the longest commercial flight on record lasted a staggering 19 hours? That's almost an entire day spent in the air. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your first long-haul journey, navigating those extended flights can be a daunting task. But fear not. In this video, we'll equip you with the essential tips and tricks to not only survive, but thrive during those marathon flights. From beating jet lag to staying comfortable and entertained, we've got you covered. So buckle up and get ready to make your next long-haul flight a breeze. Let's dive in. Firstly, we will talk about 4 tips before the flight, starting with number 4. Choose the right seat. When settling into your flight, choosing the right seat can make all the difference in your comfort. Opting for a seat with extra legroom ensures a more relaxed journey, allowing you to stretch out without feeling cramped. Additionally, selecting a seat near the aisle provides convenient access to the restroom and freedom to move about the cabin when needed. Prioritizing these considerations can enhance your overall travel experience, making long flights more enjoyable and less restrictive. Before we continue to the next tip on our list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more travel-related information through our videos. Bringing us to number 3. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for a comfortable flight experience. Start hydrating well before your journey, and remember to drink water consistently throughout. Minimize consumption of caffeinated beverages and alcohol, as they can contribute to dehydration. By prioritizing hydration, you can arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Let's move on to number 2. Pack essentials in your carry-on. When packing your carry-on, prioritize essentials to enhance your in-flight comfort. Don't forget to include items such as earplugs, an eye mask, and a neck pillow for restful travel. Headphones, entertainment options, and snacks can help pass the time and keep you content throughout the journey. Additionally, pack lip balm and moisturizer to combat dry cabin air and ensure you arrive feeling refreshed. Number 1, we have dress comfortably. Opt for comfort when choosing your attire for the flight. Loose, breathable clothing allows for ease of movement and ensures comfort during long periods of sitting. Layering your outfit enables you to adjust to temperature changes in the cabin throughout the journey. By dressing comfortably, you can maximize relaxation and enjoyment during your travel experience. Now we will talk about 4 tips during the flight, starting with number 4. Stay active. Remaining active during your flight is essential for your well-being. Make it a habit to get up and walk around the cabin regularly, stretching your legs and alleviating stiffness. These short breaks not only improve circulation but also help reduce the discomfort associated with prolonged sitting. Bringing us to number 3, exercise. While seated, engage in seated exercises throughout your flight to promote circulation and alleviate discomfort. Simple movements like ankle circles, shoulder rolls, and neck stretches can effectively prevent stiffness and enhance blood flow. These exercises are discreet and can be performed without disturbing fellow passengers. By incorporating gentle movements into your journey, you'll arrive at your destination feeling more relaxed and refreshed. Let's move on to number 2. Stay entertained. Ensure an enjoyable flight by keeping yourself entertained with a variety of options. Dive into in-flight entertainment. Immerse yourself in captivating books or indulge in podcasts to pass the time. Engaging in games can also provide a fun distraction. By embracing diverse entertainment choices, you'll make the most of your flight and arrive at your destination feeling entertained and refreshed. Number 1, we have mindful relaxation. Embrace mindful relaxation techniques to cultivate a sense of calm and tranquility throughout your flight. Dedicate moments to deep breathing exercises, meditation, or mindfulness practices to alleviate any feelings of stress or anxiety. By focusing on the present moment and connecting with your breath, you can effectively soothe your mind and body. Incorporating these practices into your journey will help you arrive at your destination feeling centered and rejuvenated. And lastly, we will talk about 4 tips. after the flight. Starting with number 4, stay active. Stay active upon arrival by engaging in light exercise or taking a leisurely walk to combat stiffness and fatigue. Whether you've been traveling for an extended period or sitting for a while, it's essential to get your body moving again. This gentle activity helps stimulate blood flow, loosens muscles, and revitalizes your energy levels. Whether it's a brief stroll around your accommodation or a few stretches, incorporating movement into your routine upon arrival can make a significant difference in how you feel and your overall well-being. So before settling in, take a moment to prioritize your physical activity. It's a small step with significant benefits. Bringing us to number 3, sunlight exposure. Sunlight exposure is key to resetting your circadian rhythm and combating jet lag. Spending time outdoors, especially in natural sunlight, can help regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to adjust to a new time zone. Whether it's a stroll in a nearby park, sitting in a sunny spot, or simply spending time on a balcony, exposing yourself to natural light signals to your brain that it's time to be awake and alert. This exposure helps regulate the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep-wake cycles, ultimately aiding in adjusting to a new schedule and reducing the effects of jet lag. So make it a priority to soak up some sunlight during the day to support your body's adjustment process and enhance your overall well-being while traveling. Let's move on to number 2, rest as needed. Listening to your body's cues is essential after a long journey. Take the time to rest and recover as needed, allowing your body to recuperate from the travel fatigue. Whether it's a short nap or simply taking moments to relax, honoring your body's need for rest is vital for rejuvenation. By prioritizing self-care, you'll emerge from your journey feeling refreshed and ready to embrace new experiences at your destination. Number 1, we have gradual adjustment. When crossing multiple time zones, easing into the local schedule can help minimize jet lag and facilitate a smoother transition. Gradually adjust your sleep and meal times to align with the destination's local time zone several days before your departure. Exposing yourself to natural light during the day and avoiding stimulants like caffeine and electronics before bedtime can also aid in adjusting your internal clock. By adopting this gradual approach, you'll arrive at your destination feeling more acclimated and ready to enjoy your travels. Thanks for tuning into our long-haul flight tip survival guide, where we've shared proven strategies for making your next flight a breeze. Remember to stay active, practice mindful relaxation, and gradually adjust to the new time zone upon arrival. With these tips in mind, you'll be well equipped to tackle even the longest flights with ease. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future content. Safe travels and see you in the next video.